Hello students, how you all are? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn a new lesson number 7, be a writer. In this lesson, we will see conversation of Isha with her mother, friends and teachers. In this lesson, the following picture shows a day in Isha's life. Look at the picture carefully. Using your imagination, guess what Isha must have said or will say on each occasion. Then write the conversation in your book. So now we will go to the lesson and see what Isha will say on each occasion. So we will start it with now. Now we will see the first picture. In this picture, Isha is sitting on the table with a glass of milk and her mother is telling her, hurry up or you will be late. And for that, what Isha will reply? She will tell that, Mom, I don't want to drink milk. You can see that. What she will tell? Mom, I don't want to drink milk. Now we will see the second picture. In this picture, Isha is holding a book with torn cover. The cover of the book is teared and she is showing this to her friend and telling her, see, I got the book whose cover is torn. Or she will tell that, see, the cover of my book is torn. And to that, her friend is replying that, I think you should tell the teacher about it. She is telling that if your cover of the book is torn, you can tell to the teacher. In this way, the Isha's dialogue will be, either see, the cover of my book is torn, and in this way you can do the dialogue writing. Dear student, we can see the third picture. In this picture, there is a teacher with 3 students. One of them is Nikhil and one of them is Isha. Nikhil has given an answer, but which is wrong, and teachers tell him that the answer that Nikhil has given is wrong. For that, Isha raises her hand and she tells, either she will tell, teacher, I know the answer, or she will tell, teacher, can I give the answer? I know it. In this way, she will show the dialogues. And you now understood how to make dialogue writing. Whatever you say will be written in the given box. And this way you can do it. Now you understood how to write the dialogues. So you can write dialogues between Nikhil and Isha, or between teacher and Isha. So you may write dialogues between Isha and the friends. So now you understood how to write the dialogues. In this way you can write the dialogues between Isha and mom also, or Isha and her friend also. So now dear students, you have understood how to write a dialogue. So I hope you understood it well.